In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recurring meetings in Microsoft Outlook. This is an important skill for keeping your calendar clean and up to date, especially when meetings are no longer needed or have been rescheduled. Recurring meetings can sometimes clutter your schedule, so knowing how to properly remove them ensures better organization and time management. To begin, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. From the search results, click on the official Outlook page. Once the page loads, proceed to sign in by selecting the Sign In option on the screen. Enter your email and password to access your account securely. After signing in, you will be taken to your Outlook homepage. From here, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen and click on the calendar icon. This will open your calendar view, where all your scheduled meetings and appointments are displayed in one place. Next, locate the recurring meeting you want to remove. These meetings are usually marked with a recurring symbol, indicating that they happen multiple times. Click on the specific recurring event that you wish to delete. Once selected, a details window will appear showing the full meeting information. Inside this window, look for the Delete option and click on it. After clicking Delete, a drop-down menu will appear with different deletion choices. This step is important because it allows you to decide how much of the recurring series you want to remove. From the available options, choose the setting that allows you to delete only the selected event or a specific instance of the recurring meeting, rather than removing the entire series. This ensures that you maintain other scheduled occurrences while removing only the one you no longer need. Once you select your preferred option, a confirmation prompt will appear on the screen asking you to verify your action. Carefully review the message and then confirm the deletion by clicking the Delete button again. This final step will permanently remove the selected meeting instance from your calendar, and that is how you can delete recurring meetings in Microsoft Outlook. This simple process helps you maintain a well-organized calendar and ensures that outdated or unnecessary meetings do not interfere with your schedule. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.